We've all got different ways of reacting to stress. For some, it might be causing issues for your teeth. First News reporter Carolyn Sistrand talked with a local expert about teeth grinding and physical reactions to stress.
If your teeth have been aching, cracking, or your jaw's tighter than usual.
We'll see it with people who are driving their cars, to people who are just having changes in their life.
It could be an increase in stress.
Some people twiddle their thumbs, other people do other things, but a lot of people grind their teeth to relieve the stress that they have.
Dr. Braydich says he's seen his patients reporting new problems caused by grinding their teeth or clenching their jaw.
We've seen a tremendous increase. I don't know if I want to attribute it to COVID, but I'm going to say that a lot of people are stressed out about the pandemic and the restrictions that they've had to undergo.
Overeating, oversleeping, not being able to sleep, undereating.
Paige Ekman with Mercy Health's Outpatient Behavioral Health Department says there's a range of reactions a person can be experiencing because of stress. And grinding your teeth or clenching your jaw is one of the many physical reactions they make their patients aware of.
The sweaty palms, the jaw, you start to get a headache because you're clenching your jaw all day. There's lots of those that do come up because people are constantly stressing, constantly worrying.
Treatment for teeth grinding will usually be a protective mouth guard, but for those who have cracked teeth or are having issues with joints and muscles, more extensive treatment may be necessary. Carolyn Sistrand, WKBN 27 First News.